See, we have completed first chapter. After that, we have completed the grammar part from the chapter. The rest of the name clauses, how to make artworks, what is an artwork we studied. Today, I want to tell you how to write an official letter. An official letter, how to write. How many kinds of letters are there? The official letter is there. Unofficial letter is there. Common letter, unofficial. Official letter means what? A letter when we write, we don't know the person we write the letter to. For example, we write a letter to district collector. We don't know actually the district collector, even though we can write the letter to district collector. How can we write the district collector letter? To the district collector, Bagalkot district, Karnataka. Enough, that much enough. Definitely that letter will go to the district collector. Because only one collector is there. In every village, collectors are not there. Okay, official collector only one is there. Okay, see, like that. Who is the collector we don't know, even though we can write the letter. That is called official letter. Then official letter and unofficial letter, what are the differences? For example, official letter when we write, we do not use our colloquial style will not be used to them. For example, when we see a friend, how we address him or how we start talking to him, when we see, immediately we hi, like that we do, right? How long I have been waiting for you, like that we say. But such dialogues will not be said in the official letter. We cannot say a collector, hi collector, like that we cannot say. There's some restriction is there. For example, we write a letter to a sub-inspector. Hi sub-inspector, hello, have you had your lunch? We will not ask. There's some restriction is there. Correct, some restriction is there. But when we write a letter to the friends, we can write like that. That is the difference between official letter and unofficial letter. How can I write an official letter? Unofficial letter. We will study next year. Today, this year also I tell you that I don't want to go back to that because that takes much time. Today we can study how to write official letter. That is our topic today. After that, if we have time, we will study the chapter also. How to write an official letter? Take a paper as well as a pen. Okay, take paper and pen, and you write it. You don't draw a page. As it is a big board, I will draw a page here. Somebody thinks that they have to draw the page, and they will draw the page in the notebook only. Notebook you don't draw the page because already page is there. If you draw the page means again, it's not nice. Okay, see. Grammar book, if you have a doubt whether you have the grammar book, you can maintain it in the grammar book, no problem. Okay, it is actually in the part of composition. Okay, see, like that a page will be there. Okay, now, like that a page. Actually, I don't like my page much. That is the reason. From here, when we write the letter, first we have to write here our address. First we have to write our address. Our address means which is our address? Then now you think that our address now. Purvi thinks that Purvi's address. Okay, Gauri thinks that Gauri's address. No. In the question paper you will get an address. Okay, when you write a letter to the collector or to anybody, not at the time of the examination, that way you write your address. Okay, See, in the question paper, there will be an address. Example, imagine that you are Maya or Mahesh. Like that, two names will be given to you. Imagine that you are Maya, you are the student of 10th standard, Maya or Mahesh, lives in Bangalore, Gandhinagar Street. Okay, 670002 pin code. Like that, something will be there in the question number. Then full stop. After that, due to some of the loudspeakers usage, you cannot study, you cannot prepare well for your examination. Okay, loudspeaker. Evening 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, they turn it on, then much sound is there. Okay, in that area nobody can stay, that much sound. So you cannot concentrate your book, you cannot study. So write a letter to the district collector related to this complaint, related to this issue. When you write a letter, you have to write. Girls can write there. Any names you can write, no problem. Girls write to Mahesh also, nothing will happen. Boys write to Maya also, nothing will happen. However, maybe as according to the gender, the people will select. Normally, Mahesh, Maya, Mahesh or Maya, Bangalore, Gandhinagar Street, pin code 670002, something like that. Okay, after that, to whom? That is the address here. I am going to write here, Mahesh. You can write down. Mahesh. Okay, after that, comma is need or not? No. Don't keep anything. Remember that you should not write here from don't write it. Okay, should not write it from Mahesh, Gandhi Street, Bangalore, pin 670002. Okay, so from address is ready. From address is already ready. Take it down, everybody. Now, today everybody has to write one letter and send it to me. When you write the letter, I want to tell you, think of the page of a computer. Think of the page of a computer. If you type there, Mahesh. After writing the Mahesh, press enter key. Press enter key means there will go that correct down it comes. Correct no? Gandhi Street. Again enter key. Correct down. That gap maintaining. Okay. No lines. We are not leaving any lines. Correct Bangalore. Again enter key. Enter. 6700. The neatness. Appearance. That is also the major part of a letter. If the letter is good, you can score good marks. If Mahesh M is here, Gandhi Street G started under the A, Gandhi Street B started out of the margin, then 670 there is margin. Okay, remember it. It should be straight. Okay, so I told you to understand that. Think of the computer page, enter key like that. Okay, write it now. Now, I want to tell you one more thing. Today, everybody writes a letter, send it to me. Send it to me. I want to see your letter. The topic. What topic? I only will tell you the topic. Now only you can note it. Not the topic. The pathetic situation of the road. Okay. Okay, you cannot travel in a small vehicle because of the pathetic situation of your road from the village to the city. Okay, small vehicle means car or a jeep. You cannot ride on that because the road is much gutters are there. Okay, now. So you cannot go. So you are writing a letter to the collector only. Write a letter to the collector describing the situation of the road at present. Okay, understand or not? Write a letter today and send it to me. Okay, now you write it. We can go to the next point. Why I tell very clearly, why I said this much clearly, Only one reason that I will show you when the offline class starts. How much I explain also, 30% students will make uncountable mistakes there. So remember it, don't make a mistake like that. After that, okay, from me solve no. After that, leave one line. Leave one line. Then the next line, write the date there. Date. Date, how do you write? Dates. What is the date today? Today's date we can write. 4, 8, 2021. Somebody want to do, no, you know, somebody, they write there, date. Date. After writing the date, 0, 8, 21. Like that you write. I tell you very clearly, if you do like that, definitely I will cut you over 2 marks. District collector is able to understand it is a date. We don't tell him that again, date. Not necessary. Understood or not? District collector is wise enough to understand it is a date. So don't write here date. Somebody will write here from. Otherwise district collector may think that it is address of his address only. Don't think like that. From means here, from we don't write it. Date means date also we don't want to write it. Okay, got it. After that, next one, 2. 2 means we don't write here 2. To whom? To the district collector. The district collector. Bangalore. Okay, we are writing from Bangalore now. Don't forget this. District collector. Bangalore. Okay. Enough. After that, dear sir. Somebody has a doubt. It is right or not telling dear sir. We say generally, hi dear Maya, dear Madhu. Okay, like that. We can call like that, address official people also with the dear. The dear word is, don't think that it's a bad word or anything, something. Somebody considers like that. Dear is used by among the lovers, the movie we have seen, not like that. Dear word, I can call you dear. Okay. Dear we can go to anybody, remember it. Dear student. Okay, tell me please.
After 2 address we should give length, sir.
After 2, no, not like that. I tell you that from, after the from we left one line. Then we wrote the date there. Again we left one line there. Then we are starting the 2. Okay, 2 address will be this one. The district collector, Bangalore, dear sir, comma. Still, we haven't used any punctuation here. Should not make any mistake. In the letter writing, even one comma additionally we put means we will miss the mark.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Somebody has a doubt. Okay. Dear sir, after that we must use a comma here. After that, then you have a doubt about the subject. Have you noticed or not? I did not tell anything about the subject. You don't write the subject. Subject has not been used. Subject hasn't been used in the official letter. It is not necessary. Dear sir, then we can start. Okay, from where? Dear sir, D-E-A. This A can be seen? That much gap only enough. Don't start with the letter from here. Middle of the page. Okay, we can start from here. Only half inch you can leave it. After that, dear sir, I write this letter, or I am writing this letter. Both is possible. I write or I am writing this. I am writing this letter. I am writing this letter. Hello, dear students. Many ways are there. Otherwise, we can start here like that. Sir, dear sir, I would like to bring to your notice that I would like to bring to your notice bring to your notice that you buy out it, no problem. This sentence you buy out. You can buy out and study. Dear sir, I am writing this letter to bring your notice. I am writing this letter to bring to your notice. To bring to your notice that after that the things whatever it is you can explain. Okay, I am not at all going to write everything. Then I keep here some dots. Okay. Last, how do we write? Convey my best regards to your family members. Correct? Correct or not? Convey my best regards to your family members. I hope all you are fine. Your mother, brother, everybody is fine, I think. No! Don't write anything like that. It's an official letter. Don't write like that. To the district collector, sir, I write this letter to tell you about the nuisance of the city by using of the boxes. So, something, you told like after that, convey my best regards to your family, to your mother. Don't write anything. See, only the point, generally we have to write it. After that, down without leaving the place, we can leave here one line. After that, yours. Yours apostrophe should not be used. Yours lovingly. No, not lovingly. Yours faithfully. Or yours sincerely. SINCERELY, sincerely. Or yours faithfully. We can write here faithfully because we have a faith about what? Much nuisance is there in our society because of using this sound, mic sound. That is only I told you the point. Because of that we are writing. We need to get to some justice. I am a 10th student. I am unable to study because of this sound. I have a faith on you. What is the faith? You may take the proper action to stop such activities. So, yours faithfully. Yours faithfully, comma, we have to use it. Yours faithfully, then who is writing? Yours faithfully, down Purvi. Correct? Purvi? No, not correct. Mahesh is writing. Okay. Yours faithfully, Mahesh. Some of the people want to do now. Down there, right there. I have seen that a number of times. Here, your name will be different. When it comes down, a new person will be born here. Then on the wish. Okay, see, yours faithfully, Mahesh. Mahesh. Then we can keep FD. Hyphen. FD means signature. FD means signature. So, don't give the signature there. FD, you can write it, but it is not very important, very urgent. If you write or it's optional, you can do also, as you wish. Next day, we will study the next one. Today we have studied how to write an official letter. Okay, see once again I tell you, we have to write from address here, according to the address, which you get it where in the question paper. Okay, according to that you must write it here. Then next, after that leave one line here. Then you can write date here. After that again leave one line. Then after that district collector, Bangalore, leave one line, comma. Leave one line, dear sir, comma. I am writing this letter to bring. That is by heart. Okay, now this one you can by heart. I would like to bring to your notice that. Then what is the problem? What you are going to mention the letter you can write it. I would like to bring to your notice that the public nuisance or about the pathetic situation of the road. I would like to bring to your notice about the pathetic situation of the road from Bangalore to a particular place you can say. Okay, so then you description. You are describing describing that. After that, leave one line here. I don't have much place. Here, leave one line. Yours faithfully, Mahesh. Then FD. Understood now? Please write a letter today gently and neatly. Send it to my WhatsApp. Okay, na?
Sir, can you repeat
Someone,
it again?
Srishti, someone asked me the topic again. That time I already told you the topic. Again, I repeat that. The topic is you write a letter about the pathetic situation of the road from your village to city. Which city you choose it? Okay, you can write any city. But you must write a letter to the district collector only about the pathetic situation, about the road. As many gutters are there on the road, you are unable to travel, especially in the small vehicles. That could be that is a major problem. That is the main point. Okay. On that you write a letter today and send it to me. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
You can take it back.
Yes, sir. Now you just conclude what?
Concluded. Oh, then on to it. Then on it I will conclude.
It's on, sir.
On to it.
It's on.
Hello dear students, I already told you everybody makes number of mistakes when you write the letter. I want to see everybody writes the letter without making mistakes. Do it and send it me today. Okay, it's quitting time. Okay, bye.